Ngesonto ledlule umchunu utshelela amalungu ekomidi lasePhalamende ukuthi isinqumo sakhe sokuhlakaza ithimba laliphenya ngokubulawa kosombusazwe sasisemthethweni.
I acted within the Constitution. I acted within the legal framework, and there's no interference.
Umchunu wadalula nokuthi wamazisa umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ngesinqumo sakhe sokuhlakaza iPKTT wavumelana naso.
Did the president agree to the disbandment of PKTT?
The answer in the affidavit is that I briefed the president, he agreed with the briefing I gave him.
So, Honorable Minister, is the answer yes?
Yes, as is in the affidavit.
The answer is yes. The answer which we must record is yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Umchunu uphinde watshela amalungu ePhalamende ukuthi akakaze asebenzisane nezigebengu. Lokho kulandela ukuvela kwezinsolo zokuyamaniswa kwakhe nosomabhizinisi osematheni waseNorth West uBrown Mokgothi okuthiwa wabhujuzela uVusimuzi Khethi Mahlala incwadi eyayibhalwe uyena umchunu emayelana nokuhlakazwa kwePKTT.
Personal. I don't graze anywhere close to criminal cartels, and it's the first time that somebody tells me I graze together with cartels.
Umchunu kulindeleke kuba qhubeke nobufakazi bakhe kuze kube uLwesithathu.